Okay, so you figured out you want to hire, but you're not sure what type of employee is going to be best for your business. So I'm Narelle from HR for Health Leaders, and in addition to working in HR for probably the last 15 years, I also spent about 4.5 years as a co-owner of an allied health clinic with multiple practitioners and administrative staff. So I not only get the legislative side, but also the practicalities of how that actually applies to your business on a day-to-day basis. So when we talk about employment types, there's really two key types. You've got casuals and you've got permanent staff. And permanent staff come in two categories. You've got part-time and full-time staff. So casual staff, you pay them a slightly higher hourly rate because it incorporates a casual loading. They're more flexible, they don't get leave entitlements, the minimum shift time is 3 hours, and if they don't have clients, you can cancel their booking. Cancel their shift, I should say. So, and on the flip side of that, you've got permanent employees who have slightly lower hourly rates, but they're entitled to annual leave, sick leave, payment for public holidays, they've guaranteed hours, and it provides a lot of stability for both them and for your business because you know when they're going to be at work. How do you make the decision? Really depends on where your business is at. Are you comfortable that if you offered someone permanent employment, the difference being part-time, full-time's 38 hours a week, part-time being anything less than that essentially. So whether that's 10, 15, 20, 30 hours a week, whatever you agree on with your employee. Are you comfortable that you have a sufficient number of clients? Maybe you've got a good wait list, maybe you've got a great system for building them up really quickly, that you can go and hire someone out permanently straight away? Or do you need to start with a casual and build them up? Now you might get different candidate pool depending on which one you advertise for. If someone's leaving a permanent job, they probably won't leave it for a casual position, for example. So things to keep in mind. If you'd like to download the information below, I go into a lot more detail in the sheet for you. There's also some information around how you strategically make the transition from casuals to part-time or full-time. You do have some legislative obligations around employees have an entitlement to casual conversion after a specific period of time working with you. So you've got to make sure that you're across all of that and really think about budgeting for your business and how this is going to work for your team and your cash flow. So love it if you check it out below, and if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch.